Hi everyone. Earlier in April, we posted a video about steps we took to fix some common seedling problems such as legginess, yellow leaves, and stunted growth. We will link that video towards the end of this one. But did it work? Today we want to share the results with you. Let us begin with Brassicas. This video was taken on March 24th, where our Brassicas had yellow leaves and very stunted growth. We started using fish emulsifier fertilizer while watering. These are some Napa Cabbage seedlings on April 3rd, and the leaves started showing greener, healthier color. We went ahead and transplanted these out the same day. This footage is of the same Napa cabbages on April 25th showing good growth, and this updated video is from 20th May, from this past Friday. The Napa cabbage usually has a faster growth rate as compared to other brassicas. The other brassica plants have steady growth too, and it is much better than what it was in March. So looks like our trick worked for these seedlings. The Napa cabbage usually has a faster growth rate as compared to other brassicas. The other brassica plants have steady growth too, and it is much better than what it was in March. So looks like our trick worked for these seedlings. Next up are these peas. This video is from 3rd of April, and the leaves just did not look right. Instead of nice green color, they have this sickly look. So we sprinkled some organic chicken manure on top of the soil, and we let the rain take care of taking the nutrients to the roots of these plants. And here are the same pea plants on 25th of April. For 2 weeks there was not much growth, and then we started seeing new growth and the leaves started turning green with new growth on the plants. And now this video was taken on 20th of May, this past Friday. And you can see that these plants are doing great and are putting up a lot of peas. We are hoping for a good harvest this year unless the squirrels get it first. Next, we want to show you celery. This is the first time we are trying to grow celery. This video is from 2nd of April when we were transplanting these tiny celery seedling into individual modules. You can see that the leaves of all these seedlings are so yellow. So we started with the regime of watering them with the fish emulsifier regularly, and these seedlings actually did pick up. So this updated video is from the day we transplanted them into the containers, which was this past Friday on 20th of May. Now let us look at peppers. We had stunted growth on them and the leaves were so yellow. So for them we used a different formula. We potted them up and added chicken manure to soil recipe. It seemed to work for some pepper plants but not for all of them. The eggplants had same issue, and we used the same formula as peppers for them. The eggplants reacted very well to the method as compared to the peppers, and as a result we have some healthy eggplant seedlings that we transplanted out on May 20th. To deal with legginess of tomato seedlings, we buried their leggy stems into soil medium that worked wonderfully. The plants showed good growth and grew roots from the buried stems as well. This trick is well tested for tomatoes and works every time. We are linking the video with all details for steps we follow to fix these seedling problems. We hope you find it useful. Thanks for watching.